Hello, good day. So I'm gonna be giving you an update on our projects right now. So right now we're still doing the wall, and I hope we can finish this week so we can put the roof frames. Okay, I'm gonna tour you around again. So let's go. All right. So you can see now that our wall is going up. So we're almost in the roof height. Maybe a few more feet up. Let's go take a look inside that progress. So we need to put this one so we can step on it because the wall is too high now. Okay. Alright. There you go, my chimney. So that's it for now. I'm gonna be sharing you how we install also the stones. We need to hammer them so we can form them to the size and the shape we wanted. So like this. Right? We'll keep you updated. Thank you for watching.